How are you? This is the Region I Corporation, specialized in manufacturing BGA-i710 Rework station in Korea. Allow to introduce features and advantages of BK-i710 BGA Rework station. By applying the upper heater with two heaters of 600 watt output, it's designed to supply 1200 watt of heat economically. By laser machining the upper nozzle with 0.7 mm thickness, it's minimized to contact the surrounding components and to prevent heat loss. The lower heater is movable up and down and is provided with output of 800 watts. The lower nozzles are basically provided in large, medium, and small size. The tube infrared free heater is minimized to bend PCB while at work, and the infrared light intensity is adjusted according to the output setting, and it's possible to set on-off in manual operation of switch. It's possible to mount PCB in 360 mm by 480 mm size, and 2 support fixtures for PCB, and 5 clamps are basically provided, and it's possible to move in a sliding way. The optical vision of 22 magnifications is possible to align pins precisely within the error range of 0.01 millimeters. "8 inches optical vision is automatically risen when operating the optical vision, and it's possible to control precisely to adjust X, Y fine control knob. If the camera is installed outdoors, it's possible to check through the monitor to enlarge the position where the chip is removed or installed. 7 inches touch panel, Cortex A8 600 MHz CPU are used, and it's possible to control temperature precisely and flexibly by adopting PID temperature control method for the Independence Development Program based on Windows CE. All settings are possible to operate direct touch and keyboard mouse. The temperature settings of the upper and the lower heater are possible to set in the 8 levels, and it's possible to control the section of rise. While at work, the graph of value set the upper heater is represented in yellowish green color, and the one of the lower heater in yellow color. It's possible to control temperature change per second in the section of temperature rise and drop, and to set the temperature profile in any condition. By providing 5 temperature sensors outdoors, it's possible to represent temperatures on position you want in the real-time temperature graph, and the recorded temperature graphs are possible to store in BMP file with the insertion of USB memory by analyzing precisely in the profile function. All settings are possible to input characters and temperature settings by using direct touch and USB keyboard. It's helpful to observe conditions of components in PCB while at work with the naked eye by high luminance LED lighting. The laser pointer installed on the center of suction nozzle indicates the center of position correctly for targeting to work when PCB is mounted. The suction nozzle in the center of the upper heater is possible to pick up 120 grams of component and to pick up components by operating automatically the suction function if the suction nozzle is contacted with components with descending of the upper heater. If placing button is pressed, the optical vision is moved on the front and component is mounted on the component position. If a line button is pressed, LED on the optical vision is lighted with appearance of 8 inches monitor. With turning knobs of X-Y precision adjustment, the pin of component is adjusted to match with PCB pad. By adjusting the right lever on the upper heater, level arrangements are controlled. If solder button is pressed after completing pin arrangements, the upper heater is automatically descended and the chip is placed on the exact position with about 2 mm rebound. Then, the heater starts to heat in the value set by the temperature program. The upper, the lower, and the infrared heater start to heat, and the real-time temperature values are represented in the graph in red color with the already installed temperature sensor. If the programmed work is completed, the cooling fan is operated as much as the setting time, and then all works are terminated. If pressing the desorption button to mount the removable component on the basis of laser light, the upper, the lower, and the infrared heater start to heat with 2 mm rebound by automatically recognizing the chip with descending of the upper heater. If the set program is terminated, chip is picked up with the operation of suction nozzle and the upper heater is raised. Then the cooling fan is operated as much as the setting time. If the cooling is completed, the picked up components are mounted on the position and changed to the standby condition. The best Korea specialized in rework station of semiconductor components is concentrating on developing products for only customers. Thank you for watching.